Everyone thinks the best-selling steering wheel cover is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Uzorp Microfiber Leather Cover. The Uzorp Car Steering Wheel Cover. Priced at just $9.99, this cover caught my eye with its high-quality microfiber leather and sleek black design. If you want a stylish and functional upgrade for your steering wheel, this is worth a serious look. The Uzorp cover fits standard steering wheels between 14.5 to 15 inches in diameter, ensuring a snug fit. The anti-slip lining gives you a solid grip, which is crucial for keeping control on the road. Plus, it protects your wheel from sun damage and scratches, so you're really extending its lifespan. With over 10,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that people are enjoying this product. Now, here's the thing. Some users noted that the installation can be a bit tricky, especially if the cover isn't warmed up first. But honestly, once you warm it up, it goes on much easier, and the secure fit is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable yet stylish cover that not only looks good, but also protects your steering wheel. Skip this one if you have a larger steering wheel, as the fit might not be ideal. Overall, you're getting a lot of value for your money here. Now, if the installation hassle bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Valley Comfy Microfiber Cover. The Valley Comfy Microfiber Leather Steering Wheel Cover, retailing at $15.99. What caught my attention here is its skid-proof design and heat resistance. If you want comfort and protection, this one deserves your attention. This cover is made for middle-sized steering wheels, specifically those between 14.5 and 15 inches. It's designed to stay put, even during hot days when your hands might get sweaty. Plus, the eco-friendly materials give you peace of mind about what you're using in your car. With over 6,000 sold recently, you can see it's a popular choice. However, a few reviews mentioned that the cover can feel a bit slippery when first installed. But here's the thing, it tends to break in nicely, getting grippier with use, so don't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you value a cover that's both functional and eco-friendly. Skip this one if you prefer something with a more premium feel. For the price, it offers solid protection and style. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a sporty look.
Product number 3. Uzorp Redlined Cover. Another Uzorp product, this time with a striking red line for just $9.99. I mean, who doesn't love a little flair? If you want to add a pop of color while keeping your steering wheel protected, this is worth considering. Like its sibling, this cover fits standard wheels between 14.5 and 15 inches. The durable leather construction is both stylish and functional. The anti-slip lining provides excellent grip, which is vital when you're navigating tight turns or heavy traffic. Plus, it's waterproof, so cleaning it is a breeze. With 4,000 sales last month, it's clear this cover is making waves. Some users pointed out that the stitching could be better. I'll be real with you, while it's not perfect, it doesn't affect its performance, and the price makes it a worthwhile option. This is perfect for you if you want something that stands out and protects. Skip this one if you're looking for a more understated design. It checks all the boxes for both style and function. Now, if the flashy design isn't your style, the next product offers a more refined approach.
Product number 4. Uxer Napa Leather Cover. We have the Uxer Napa Leather Steering Wheel Cover for Tesla Model 3 and Y at $23.74. This one's a bit pricier, but if you own a Tesla, you know it's all about that perfect fit. If you want premium quality and tailored design, you need to check this out. This cover is designed specifically for Tesla Model 3 and Y steering wheels, fitting like a glove. The breathable Napa leather feels luxurious to the touch, and the anti-slip silicone lining adds a measure of safety. It protects your steering wheel from sunburn and wear, plus it enhances the aesthetic of your car's interior. With 3,000 sales last month, Tesla owners are clearly loving it. However, some users found it a bit hard to install initially, but warming it up as suggested makes a huge difference, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a custom fit for your Tesla and a touch of luxury. Skip this one if you don't own a Tesla, as it's specifically designed for those models. Given the quality, it's a worthwhile investment for Tesla enthusiasts. Lastly, if you're seeking something more budget-friendly, the final product might just be your go-to.
Product number 5. Kafik Stretch Cover. We have the Kafik Elastic Stretch Steering Wheel Cover, also priced at $9.99. What stood out is its unique, breathable ice silk material. If you want a cover that can adapt to the seasons, this one might be for you.
This cover fits steering wheels of 14.5 to 15 inches and is designed to keep you comfortable year-round. It's sweat-proof and anti-skidding, so you can maintain a solid grip whatever the weather. With over 2,000 sold recently, it's gaining traction for its quality and comfort. That said, a few users mentioned that the elastic could wear out after extended use, but honestly, for the price and comfort it provides, it's a small compromise. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option that adapts to different weather conditions. Skip this one if you prefer a thicker, more luxurious feel. Overall, you're getting great value for your money here.
We've looked at the Ozorp microfiber cover, the Valley Comfy option, the Ozorp with red lines, the Uxer Napa leather cover, and the Cafique stretch cover. Each of these brings something unique to the table, whether it's style, fit, or comfort. Whether you're a Tesla owner or just need a budget-friendly solution, there's a steering wheel cover here for you. Thanks for tuning in.